Welcome to our video on understanding matrices, the bread and butter of MATLAB programming. If you work with data or engineering in MATLAB, this is crucial. Let's start by introducing what matrices are and why they are so fundamental to MATLAB. In simple terms, a matrix is a rectangular array of numbers or expressions arranged in rows and columns. In MATLAB, almost all data is represented in the form of matrices or arrays. They are the foundation for data manipulation and calculations. Now that we know what they are, let's look at how to create matrices in MATLAB. The basic way to define a matrix is using square brackets, separating elements with commas, and rows with semicolons. MATLAB also offers built-in functions to create special matrices, such as matrices of zeros, ones, or identity matrices for more complex operations. Next, let's explore some fundamental operations you can perform with matrices. Matrices of the same size can be added and subtracted element by element, making it easy to combine or compare datasets. We have scalar multiplication for scaling the entire matrix, and array multiplication, which performs element by element multiplication. Being able to target specific parts of your data is crucial. Let's look at indexing and subsetting matrices. You can access individual elements by specifying their row and column index, or by using a single linear index. You can extract entire rows or columns using the colon operator. This is essential for focusing on specific variables or observations within your dataset. Matrices can be reshaped to change their dimensions and transposed to swap their rows and columns, which is often needed for specific mathematical operations. To see this in action, let's go over a quick practical example of using matrices. Imagine analyzing stock prices for several companies over a week. We can easily store this data in a matrix, with rows representing the companies and columns representing the days. This structure simplifies calculations like finding average price or price changes. Let's summarize the key takeaways from this video. Matrices are the fundamental data type in MATLAB, crucial for almost all data processing. Mastering their creation, operations, and indexing is your key to effectively using MATLAB. To continue your learning journey, try creating your own matrices and experimenting with different operations and indexing methods in MATLAB. Good luck!